flogging in the loo. This is what the toilet looks like on a Ryanair flight. Welcome to the vlog, and I'm starting this one on an aeroplane. We're going to be landing in Spain really soon. The cabin crew are preparing for landing. It's been a perfectly fine flight. It left late, like half an hour late or something, but it's been perfectly fine. I've been editing all the way. My daughter's sitting in front of me and my boyfriend is way behind somewhere. Down lower and lower. We come waiting for the bump. Oh, blimey, that was a big one. Well, we're down. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. We found the transfer bus really easily. IB's just helping Izzy with the bag. We're going in. There are 4 together here, so I shall go in. We have made it all. I'm so happy. We're just waiting now to leave. We might be waiting for a few more passengers to arrive and then we'll be off. It's quite a long drive. I think it's an hour and 45 minutes, something like that. We're off with a great big lurch. Oh yeah, it does feel warm enough for Izzy to go in the pool. I am enjoying this heat. I feel like I'm being baked in a very pleasant way from the outside. Lovely yellow fields there. Passed by one on the way to my gig yesterday, funnily enough, in the Cotswolds. But here we are in Spain, seeing the same thing. I'm so excited. I'm just looking out the window as much as I can, taking it all in. Because it's so novel. Sort of all delta-y there, that river, isn't it? I do believe, oh, it's Crazy Golf there. I do believe we're going to go to another hotel, not us personally, but the bus. Oh, there's a supermarket there. Oh, little beachy things. I'm so soppy. When I go somewhere new, I get so excited. Yeah, we seem to be stopping here. There must be a hotel here. Oh, the bag thing just came up, so the suitcases are going to be accessed now. Loads of little cafes are open, loads of people out on the streets. It's a Sunday today, it's Easter Sunday in fact. Oh, we've got Magic World there, Izzy. Lots of activities to do. Wonder what they've got growing under there. Oh, flowers in the polytunnels. Look at that blue sky, not a single cloud. What's this intriguing looking thing, IB? What do you reckon? It's like a cement works or something to me.
So cement.
Because it reminds me of one I've seen before. Fascinated by those dwellings. Oh, there's a park. The thing's up again and we're stopped again. We're doing lots and lots of stops and we're at the Royal Beach at the moment. Looks very fancy, doesn't it? Look. IB's got the GPS up, so he says we're 2 miles from our destination. Cooling down a bit now. I've just been nibbling leftover stuff from Burger King. There was a couple of chili bites and things. I was feeling a bit travel sick, but actually I just think I had a low blood sugar. It serves me right for eating mini cream eggs on the aeroplane whilst editing under my mask. We're off again. I'm trying to resist filming loads out of the window. So there'll be too much of it, but it's so lovely. Oh, I see the sea, I see the sea, and oh, it's so blue. Tide is right in, isn't it?
Can't be far away now.
No, we can't be far away. I think we're very close.
Nice there, isn't it?
So I'll stop.
Bye bye.
Woo. Thank you. Oh, yikes. Just nearly got whacked by that. Well, we're here. I got up to get off the bus, didn't realise I still had my seatbelt on, and I got pinned down. It was like boom. And then I was the last coming off and I was all chaotic then, bag undone and jumper dropping on the floor. Anyway, we're approaching I can smell food. So we're going to get in a queue now and get passports out, I presume, and hotel voucher. Slightly confusing, that's the wrong reception. Apparently they're changing it to another place before the end of our stay, so we have to just check in at the one we're going to check out of, if you know what I mean. Ooh, I'm kicking my case now. Oh, there you are, Izzy. Oh, that looks nice. We're going up a big rampy thing now to the now check-in. Oh, thank you, IB. Right, Izzy? Waiting in a queue again. Quite a long one, but it'll give me a chance to get all my stuff out. IB has worked out where the bar is. It's right here. Oh, got the keys. We're checked in, and this is a very small lift, which has like got a normal door on it. Oh, we're on the 5th floor. I'm squashed up against IB, aren't I?
Yeah, it's a bit cosy, isn't it?
It is, yeah. You're lucky it's not a mirrored lift or you'd be in it. I wonder which side we're going to come out now. Could be that side, could be that side. I don't know. We're gagging for a cup. Well, I'm gagging for a cup of tea, but we haven't got any milk. Oh, it's this side. You love being squashed in small spaces, don't you, Ivy? We seem to have swapped bags.
Where are we going?
Right. Oh, I'm going to pull it, I think.
We're going to check out them, man.
We'll check out both of them. Here, would you like the keys? There we are. So exciting.
Yeah, check out 29. Check out 28.
Well, we better see what the bed situation's like. So if one's a twin and one's a double, obviously it might influence the position. Oh, excuse me. Interesting shot. Going in. Ooh. He's opening the curtains. You hot?
Yeah.
He's dying of the heat, apparently. Oh, I haven't been in a hotel thing for ages. We've been doing Airbnbs and things, haven't we, when we've been on holiday? Oh, I got her in the balcony. How nice. And Izzy's next door, I think. We'll go see. I'm going to have a look at her room.
I like this one more though.
Why do you like this one more?
I like the bed facing that way.
Bidet. I love a bidet. Oh, they have got shampoo here, I was wondering. Right, look at the other one. I'm going to decide where to go. Sorry, the light's not on. Bit of wardrobe space there. I would opt for this one. I don't know if IB will agree. Izzy prefers the next door one because she likes the way the bed is facing. Here we are. We're staking our claims. IB would prefer the window side, so I'm going to have this side. Get myself kind of, you know, settled in. And we definitely need to get the kettle out, but we've no milk yet. But we'll pop to a shop at some point. We're all ready for, you know, getting something to eat. I did make a note of what time dinner was, but of course I've forgotten it. Dinner starts at 6:45 and it's about 10 past now, so that's kind of right. That's a good amount of time for just sort of getting settled in, getting our breath back before going down. Oh, it's so lovely and warm. It's so lovely and warm. IB wants to put the air conditioning on though. I think he's going to have to, or he might actually melt. I've just been showing IB the power supplies. They seem to be only 2, and there's a problem. Look, because it's right on the switch. So I don't know how we're going to charge anything or use the kettle.
It's in mine already.
It is charging my phone. Thank goodness. We've managed to. I think the trick is not to have this switch because it acts as a lever if it's one way or the other, and then it pushes it out, so as long as it's just kind of flat. But this light can go on from his switch as well over there. We're all feeling decidedly wilted now, aren't we? We're tired and hungry, so we're going down to dinner. It's just about to start up. We've called the lift. We're not sure how to work the lift, but there's the shaft and you can see the cables.
You could walk down the stairs.
Oh, yeah, let's just go down the stairs. We'll figure out the complexities of the lift later. Oh, this one's coming up, guys. Coming, do you want it? It's here.
I'll just walk down. I might try.
We're gonna have a quick look, see if we can see this swimming pool. I didn't think there was an indoor one. I reckon it's outdoors. I reckon we're gonna be on ground level. Let's see. It's just outdoors, but oh, the view. The view is beautiful. Look at the view. It's beautiful. There's a pool there. Little one, 55 centimetres for the little kiddie winkies. This one's a bit deeper. Don't know how much deeper. Sun loungers. I'm trying to film around my daughter and boyfriend because neither of them want to be on camera. The bar, not open at the moment. Now we're going to go down this flight of stairs, surrounded by greenery. I don't know if this is the way, but we seem to be following the sound of the hubbub. Just wandered into the gym. Right, so where's this food? We've got people playing games in this room. There's pool, baby football, no, not ice hockey, what's that called? Air hockey? Something like that. Yeah, here, and there's a big queue outside. Presumably this is not the best time to arrive, just as it's starting. IB's coming round, he's had a mouthful of beer. It was really late opening, like we were queuing up for a quarter of an hour, so we went to the bar and got a drink and brought it back with us with a plastic cup. But anyway, we've got plates and we're queuing. He asked me in the bar, do I want to use a reusable glass? And I said yes, of course. But it's €1 each, so that was €3 and we've got to hang on to those and use them all week, presumably. We'll see, maybe we could have had glass ones for free, I don't know. We've got soup here, but I don't know what the soup is, and because I'm a pescatarian, I'm not sure if I want to risk it, but I need to find out a way to ask, I think. Got a lovely salad here, my daughter's digging in right now. Oh, I don't even know what that is, but I'm going to try a bit, see if I like it. I don't know, I think it's some kind of vegetable. It reminds me of something we had in France before, in Lorient. I don't know, we'll taste it and see. Just have a little bit. Olives. Oh, yummy, yummy. I do love my olives. We've got great big bits of garlic in there. Oh, ho, 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 ho. My mouth is actually watering, thinking about the garlic. Grab a bit of green pepper as well. I do have that at home, so I'm not going to go too nuts on it. Izzy's going for a huge load of salad. A bit of this lettuce as well. Yeah, I had a load. These lovely big tomatoes. I'm going to have one to try, because I try not to overfill my plate. Oh, little coleslaw. I don't know if there's ham in there, so I might wait for IB to have some and he can tell me. This looks nice. Whatever it is. It's overwhelming. Well, this could be hors d'oeuvres when we come back. Lizzie's going for some grated cheese. She's found pasta. Oh, we got mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard. I can't clutch that. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn this off. I've got an attack of eyes bigger than belly. This looks veggie. I'm putting too much on my plate, but I've seen this fish and I want some. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this now. I am so hungry. I've just eaten a huge bit of pickled cauliflower, thinking it was just boiled. I shoved the whole lot in my mouth in one go, and it was really strong tasting vinegar. It made my eyes water. That said, as you can see, I pretty much devoured everything on my plate faster than the other two. They are still eating. This never ever happens. Never. Well, I went over to get dessert, spotted cheese, thought, right, I have to have cheese and then dessert. I am officially being a real greedy guts, but it's my first night of holiday. Can we see what you've got, Izzy? Izzy loves these, I don't know what they're called in Spanish. I think they're called palmeira or something in Portuguese. You love them, don't you?
It's watermelon.
Izzy is absolutely stuffed. I can't stop myself. I saw all the, I've gone for the wet sloppy stuff so it'll slip down. I don't know what any of these things are. I don't know what it is in English. is it flan or poutine or something like that? I don't know. I got an ice cream for Izzy, but I don't think she can eat it, so I might end up going for that as well. So yeah, I don't even know what these things are, but I'm gonna give them a good go. That was an amazing dinner. There was plenty of it. Anyway, that's for sure. I really enjoyed that. I've popped back up to the room just to get a couple of jumpers because we have just gone to the bar. IB wants a beer. I'm gonna have a beer as well. I've ordered one. It's on the table waiting for me with the guys. And then IB wants to have a long sleep because he's exhausted. And Isabel is very keen to explore, as am I. So Isabel and I are going to walk down, see if we can find a beach. The light is starting to go now because it's quite late. And we're hoping to come back via like a little shop just to get some milk for tea in the morning in the room. That's our plan. And then if IB wakes up afterwards, we'll probably have some drinks in the bar as well, you know, first night. Yay! That sort of thing. Okay, this was unexpected. I was just thinking, what am I going to do with these 3 plastic reusable glasses now? Because I don't want to put them in my bag because I've got my cameras in there and make it all sticky. So I went to ask her if she could wash them or exchange them for clean ones. And she just gave me €3 back. So obviously it was a deposit of some description. Okay, good. Anyway. Now that my boyfriend has had beer, he's had a second wind and he no longer feels the need to have a nap, so he's coming down to the beach too. You know you're a foreigner in a country when you don't know how to work the pedestrian crossing. We were looking everywhere for a button to press, but there wasn't one. We've arrived at the beach, the sun is setting. Look at those beautiful waves. We're gonna head off along the prom now. There's loads of bars here, a lot of people just chilling out. This is really beautiful, and I tell you what, all these little rocky formations right up near where the sea is, looks really fun to explore. I way prefer that to just plain sand, you know, just miles and miles of just sand. I like the rocky bits as well, make it more interesting. Look at that, that's so amazingly beautiful. The castle or something up there, I don't know if it's a real one. I wasn't expecting such astonishing beauty right on the coast. Cold. Hi guys, you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Looks fun to explore down there, doesn't it? Up by the rocks and all that, with the sea swirling about. We're going to head along and see if we can find out if that is a real castle or if it's some other thing. We've come a little further along again, and this water is just so beautifully clear. I'm astonished, it's like crystal clear. I'm not used to being able to see through seawater. Look at this up ahead. That looks like the most interesting coastal path I think I've ever seen. It looks quite accessible. Oh, there's staircases to go up and down. Let's see how that goes. We've walked all the way up there. It was a bit steep, I must be honest, up there, down these stairs. Looking out at the bay. We're going to carry on. The light is going, so I don't know how much filming I'm going to do outdoors for this vlog, but I'll definitely try to come back in the daylight and film it all properly for you. Oh, so soothing. Love the sound of those waves. Those two have just rounded the corner so I can film in front. Yet more rocks with waves lapping around them. And up through there's the castle thing. Let's do the reveal. Ta-da! It looks too perfect to be a real castle to me, so that's why I'm intrigued about it. Look at the sweaty state of me. I just climbed up the 5 flights of stairs in a mask and 2 jumpers. And now I've got sweat running down my back. Anyway, me and IB are going to go to the bar. Isabel just wants to go to bed because she barely slept last night. I think she was a bit excited, couldn't sleep, and then she woke up at 4 and couldn't get back to sleep. So she's just out for the count. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did like it, could you please give it a like? It really helps the channel to grow. If you're new and would like to follow more of my story, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.